Harmony Duo. Share the crave. No straps come in the way. Ergonomic and unique shape for maximum mutual fun. Made with smooth body safe silicone. Rechargeable for long-lasting fun. Contoured and flexible for a secure fit and playful teasing. Effortlessly change vibrations via the Honey Play Box app. Enjoy 9 rumbly vibrations at both ends for toe-curling pleasure together. The long shaft tantalizes deep inside your partner. The large bulb digs pleasantly into G-spot. Cycle through 9 vivid tapping modes with the app. Extraordinary kinky finger tapping adds a new dimension of G-spot or P-spot thrills for your partner. Ready to take both of you to the mind-blowing, orgasmic finish line.